Right, I've cut halfway through the controls, that's where the volume and tones are going, and halfway through where this switch is going. It's only because I'm limited by the length of my bit. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hollow some of this out because it's going to be heavy otherwise. So there'll be a pocket here and a pocket there, and then when I do the profile I'll be cutting halfway through, and then when I flip it over there, finish cutting the other halves of these and the profile. That's cutting the hollows out now. Make it a bit lighter. That's that pocket done. That's taken a lot of weight out of the guitar. Now over here I'm going to do another pocket. Right, that's the two pockets done for lighting the guitar. Make it a lot easier to carry around as well. Next thing I'm going to do now is the profile. Right, that's this side done. Next thing then, I've got to flip it over, unbolt it and flip it over and back, bolt it back on, then do the underside, which will be finish cutting through these. And then it's the cover recess on the other side, and then finish cutting through the profile. I reckon that'll save a lot of weight there. Right.